Puro sisi, walang solusyon. Are you blaming each other instead of fixing the system? You're not the only one feeling this way. May couple na naka-experience nito. No, tawagin natin silang Phil at saka si Josie. Meron silang feed supply store for farmers, poultry owners at saka small livestock raisers. Yes, yun ang kanilang market. So si Phil, hinandle niya yung operations at si Josie naman handled marketing and sales. Gumastos si Josie ng 20,000 a month on radio ads and flyers. At inis na inis si Phil. Hindi siya agree. Sabi niya, sayang ang 20,000 pesos. Ang customers naman natin ay referrals. Hindi naman sila nakikinig sa radyo. And nagalit si Josie. Sabi niya, bakit yung ating sales ay flat? We need to reach new customers. Ang sabi naman ni Phil, kaya flat dahil you are spending on the wrong channels. So, sabi ni Josie, bakit? Ano ngayon ang right channel? Hindi ka naman nagbibigay ng suggestions, puro complain ka lang. So, nag-aaway sila every month. Same argument. Si Phil blamed Josie for wasting money. Josie blamed Phil for being cheap and walang kaambi-ambisyon. So one day, a supplier told them, alam mo, most farmers now use Facebook. They join groups for livestock tips. Tapos nagtinginan si Phil at si Josie. Neither of them had thought to check where their actual customers were spending time online. Tinest nila yung Facebook ads at tinarget nila yung mga farmer groups. 8,000 a month. Within 2 months, they got 15 new wholesale clients. Way more than radio ads ever brought. Ganito kasi yon. The problem was not Phil's cheapness or Josie's spending. The problem was they were blaming each other instead of testing what actually worked. Kaya ito yung tinuturo nitong lesson na to sa atin. Blame keeps you stuck. Kaya hinto natin yung ating pagbe-blame. What we need to do is to do testing. Testing and adjusting will move us forward. Stop fighting about who is right and who is wrong. And start experimenting kung ano yung nag-work. Experiment. Try lang natin. No? Kaya think of what you need to do next. Always remember, that's how we are. Business-minded Pinoys.